Good morning everyone. Today inshallah we'll have lesson number 3 and 4 in unit number 3. As you can see today we will have some kind of grammar rule. It's so important, grammar rule, and at the same time it's so simple, grammar rule. You surely, I'm sure you will find it in your final exam, in your paper, and I'm sure you will find it easy to understand and easy to answer it. Before that we have some kind of new vocabulary as usual.
Yes.
Original, algae,
Algae.
decay, sustainable, again third time, sense, original, algae, decay, sustainable. Okay, just read it. Yeah.
Sense, original, algae, decay, sustainable.
Very good. Yes.
Sense, original, algae, decay, sustainable.
Excellent. Yeah.
Sense, original, algae, decay, sustainable.
Yep.
Sense, original, algae, decay, sustainable.
Muhammad.
Sense original, algae,
Decay.
says
Sustainable. I called my doctor. Doctor, I have a stomach ache. I have a very severe pain in my stomach. I have pain, severe pain. And he advised me to get some kind of algae. It's some kind of plants. You can find small green plants, you can find it in water. It's kind of medicine, we can use it as medicine. It's kind of small, tiny plants, green plants in water. You can use it, we can eat them as medicine. It's kind of algae. And that 10 years, we can call them decade. So decade equal 10 years. And at that time, that pain lasts for 3 days. I felt it for 3 days. So I can say it's sustainable pain. So I had pain in my stomach. That pain was sustainable. It lasts for time. We can have sense. All of us have sense of smell, sense of what is that? Sense of what?
Taste.
Taste. Very good. Sense of
Listen.
listen or hearing. Sense of
Touch.
touch. Very good. And we have some kind of very important grammar rule. It's what? Future. Okay. Now we have a lot of forms. We have the future perfect, we have future continuous, and we have some kind of future. Now you will get just 4 forms for future. Form number 1, will plus verb 1. In English we have 3 verbs. Any verb in English, just 3 forms. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. That present, that past, that past participle. Now we have will plus verb 1. So after will, you will have present form of the verb. We use will as future for 7 cases. Case number 1, we use will to refer to the future, to talk about the future facts. When you have some facts in the future, just use will to talk about that facts. Okay? For example, how old are you? You say you have 17 years old. Next year you will be 18. It's fact, yes? It's fact. He will be 15. He used will to talk about a fact or facts in the future. Number 2, we can use will to talk about future when you have some kind of prediction, but you don't have any evidence for that prediction. Prediction without evidence. What does it mean? Prediction without evidence. Now you are in grade 2, scientific sector or section, secondary stage. Yes? Now you are a doctor. You just in grade 2. You will have 3rd grade next year, inshallah. And after that, you will be in faculty of medicine, faculty of whatever. Yes? But today you are a doctor. But you want to be a doctor. Yes? But you have any evidence about that? Now you don't have 99% final in third year. You don't have it. So you predict something will happen in the future, but you don't have any evidence. You don't have it. So you can use will. I will be a doctor. You predict something will happen in the future, but you don't have any evidence now. You don't have any evidence now. Use will in it. Number 3, or case number 3, you can use will. Fact number 1, prediction without evidence. Promise. When I promise him to give him something, if he does something good, I will give you a prize. Fact, prediction without evidence, promise. Threaten. You want to punish someone. If you don't study, I will punish you. You want to punish someone, just use will and verb 1. If you don't study, I will punish you. I use will because you want to threaten someone. Fact in the future, prediction without evidence, promise, threaten. And offer. You have some kind of heavy bag, okay? You are out of the market and you have heavy bag, you can't carry it. And I come to you, I give you an offer. I will help you. Will I help you? I give you an offer. Will I help you? Now, someone knocks on the door, hard, knocks on the door, and Mo, he hurried. I will answer the door. It's quick decision. He gets the decision, but it's quickly. I will answer it. I will open the door. I will answer the phone. It's a quick decision. He used what? Well, I will open it. I will answer the door. And request. You have a heavy bag. You can't carry it, okay? And you came to Muhammad. Will you help me? It's what? Request. You ask someone to help you, for example. Now we have 7 cases for using will to talk about the future. Facts in the future, prediction without evidence, promise, threaten, offer, and quick decision, request. And pay attention to that, prediction without evidence. Because here we have prediction, but with evidence. Now I need someone here, give me an example. In one of the 7 cases, just pick one and give me an example. Yeah, give me an example. In one of them.
The phone ringing, I will answer.
Okay. I will answer the phone. Excellent. Now let's turn to second case of second form of future using be, going to, and verb 1. What is be? Be, that means am, is, are. When can we use be, going to, and verb 1 to talk about the future? Just we have 2 cases. Well, we have 7 cases. And be, going to, we have just 2 cases. What are them? Case number 1. No. We have what? Prediction. Very good. Prediction. But here we have with evidence. Very good. Now it's clear we have some kind of strong sunlight. Yes? The sun is strong now. It's too clear. Suddenly it becomes dark. And thunder, lightning. It will rain or it's going to rain. It's going to rain. Why? We have evidence. Yeah? Now we have evidence. It's going to rain. Without evidence, it will. But now we have evidence. Becomes dark, lightning, thunder, and it's going to rain. And case number 2. When you decide, we have a quick decision. I will answer it. I will. But you have some kind of decision, but it's not quick. Decision. Intention. Plan. When you plan to do something, just use be going to and verb 1. You can say to us, I'm going to study, because you have a plan. Okay? You have a decision. It's not quick. It's not fast decision or quick decision. You just have decision. Okay? Any decision in your life, you just have decision. You decided to study. How can you see it? I am going to study. You have intention inside your heart, inside your mind. You have just intention. You just intend. Just you have intention in your heart or intention in your mind, just use be going to and verb 1. So we have just 2 cases to use be going to. Case number 1, prediction with evidence. Case number 2, if you have some kind of plan or intention or just decision in your heart or mind. Muhammad, can you give me an example for that? Just pick one.
Prediction with
Yeah, okay.
I am going to rain.
You are going to rain or it's going to?
It's going
Yeah,
to.
you can see it's cloudy. It's cloudy. And it's going to rain. Very good. Now we have case number 3. Present continuous. What is it? Present continuous. It's am, is, are, plus verb 1 plus ing. When can I use that form to talk about the future? Just one case. Just one case. When you arrange to do something with your friends, for example, with your family, you arrange. Arrangement. When you arrange to do something in your life, but that arrangement not just with yourself. You should arrange with me, with your friends, with your family. So, come on, let's watch the movie. Let's watch the football match. It's arrangement. When you have some kind of arrangement with your friends, with family, you can use am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing to talk about the future. Now, I need an example for that.
We are arranging to traveling.
To travel. He said, we arranged to travel. I need you to explain it in the future. Yeah. What will you say?
We are traveling.
We are traveling. Excellent. He can say, we are traveling. Very good. Excellent. And form number 4, last one today. Form number 4, present simple. Present simple, that's verb 1. Form verb 1, present simple. When can we use it to talk about the future? Just verb 1. When you know that something will happen in the future, you know it because you know it before out of timetable. You know timetable? Timetable, that means we have here Saturday, Sunday, Monday, what? And that's 7:30 and it's 8. And you know it out of that timetable. You went to the train station, to the airport, you will travel to Kuwait, for example. You know the date or the time of your plane before the time because you have timetable. When you have timetable and you have times in it, you can refer to the future or talk to the future using verb 1. So you can see here the plane. The plane, I will say, will leave. Will I say will leave or going to leave or leaves
Going.
at 11. Now we know that the plane will leave because we have timetable. We have time, yeah? When you have time and you want to talk about something in the future out of that time, just use verb 1. Now, the answer is the plane leaves at 11. Now we have 4 forms for the future today. You should study them. You should focus on that. Will, verb 1, be going to verb 1, present continuous, and present simple. We have a lot of, now, you just write here timetable to make it easy for you. Then we have, to revise it fast, will plus verb 1, fix. Prediction without evidence, promise, threaten, offer, quick decision, and request. Just a case for be going to plus verb 1, prediction with evidence, decision, but not quick decision, intention and plan. Just one case for present continuous. N is are, verb 1 plus ing just for arrangement. And the last form today is present simple. You use it when you know that something will happen in the future out of timetable. You just use present simple. That's for all today.